How to film wedding details. I'm going to go over the 5 best shots that you need in every wedding film. Here we go. So the first thing I start with is called the flat lay. So for example, we've grabbed the flowers, we've grabbed the shoes, we've grabbed the rings, the wedding invitations, the vow books, and the next thing is just showcasing each detail with some very cinematic movements. So first I'm gonna get a wide shot of all the details, a parallax, just very subtly. Honestly, what you're seeing right now is the most movement I'll do. Again, very subtle movements. I'm shooting in 60 frames per second. And this is the top-down rotation. All I'm doing is twisting the RS2 clockwise, like so. Watch this. Keeping my composition focused on the ring. So those are the 2 movements I'll usually do, parallaxes and top-down rotations, and I just get a lot of variety for all the details. Detail number 2 is the bride's dress. So with the bride sitting down in this chair, applying her makeup and writing in her vow book, I get to kind of show the dress in a different position than when she's gonna be standing for the rest of the day. So we'll get a few shots of that, and then we'll get a few detail shots of the bride in front of the window with great lighting to make her look as stunning as possible and highlight all the different features on the dress. All right, Shay, and 3, 2, 1, and action. Detail number 3 is the cake. What I like to do is first get a lot of wide establishing shots to show off the cake and where it's at, and then I'll move in with a tighter focal length and get some details of every layer of the cake, the frosting, the flowers, the stand, the utensils, the decorations, everything to really show how beautifully made this cake is. Detail number 4 is the wedding venue. I throw on a wide angle lens. Right now I have on a 14mm, and I want to show off the whole venue as a whole. So I'll start off with a few push-ins, a few pan downs, and then I'll change focal lengths and get some detail shots. First things first, I'm gonna do a pan down. So I start in the ceiling. I put my follow speed to 15, so it's a little bit faster than we're used to because I'm doing a very fast walk. And as I'm walking down quickly, I'm panning down to reveal the arch, which is the main attraction, right? Detail number 5 is the groom's suit. I just kind of film him naturally getting ready as he would. So the first thing is he's fixing his cufflinks, buttoning those up. He's gonna button the top button on his shirt and then grab his watch, put that on. I'm gonna let Tanner do the entire movement as one. All I'll be doing is doing some subtle parallaxes and action. And the last thing is putting on the suit coat. All right, Tanner, again, 3, 2, 1, and action. But that is it for the 5 detail shots every wedding videographer needs. Like and follow for more.